Welcome to LaLas World. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Canva app. Canva features. Be sure to click subscribe and tap the notification bell so you can get notified when more great videos come out. First, what all can you make with Canva? I personally use it to make the most of my YouTube thumbnails, but you can use it for logos, social media posts, videos, invitations, business cards, posters, flyers, calendars, resumes, brochures, and so much more. Now, one thing about Canva is they have a variety of templates that you can easily edit, or you can enter in custom dimensions and make a design from scratch. In order to see the categories of templates available, you can click on All Categories, or you can look to the bottom and click on Templates and scroll down. And as you can see, there are definitely a lot of pre-made templates to choose from. Once you've decided on the type of post you want to make, it's time to edit the design. Editing. To get started with a design, I'll choose a thumbnail as an example. I'm going to do a search for YouTube thumbnail. I will select the free template and click on Edit. As you can see, it says tap something to get started editing. I will tap the picture and it highlights, and I can choose to take a new picture, select a new picture from my device, or use a picture from Canva's image library. Choose just the background color, or take the picture and filter it, including advanced filters of brightness, contrast, saturation, and colorizing. Once you are done, click the check mark to go back to the menu. To edit, tap the text box and choose your font style. Scale up or down for size. Center, left or right alignment, bold or italic are also options. Uppercase or lowercase. Spacing between letters and paragraphs. Now, if you want to change the text, you would click in the box and type. To change the text box color, tap a little bit outside the text and you can change the color or choose another image if you'd like. Once you're done, you can click on the check mark to the top left corner to exit the menu. To undo or redo the last thing, you can click the back or forward arrows to the top. To resize, click the size option. Please note, resizing is a paid feature. However, you could just create another design if you need to, or a larger or smaller size. Click here to share your design with someone else via a link, or link with edit if you want that person to make changes. Click the down arrow to save your design. If you're satisfied with your design, you can publish it directly to a variety of platforms available. All of your designs show up in the design section. There's also an account section where you can edit any account settings. More features. So in this section, I'm going to create a design from scratch to show you even more features of the Canva app. This time, I'll select the plus sign and scroll to choose the type of design I want. This time, I will choose Pinterest pin. Please note, you can adjust the size if you want to. And click the check mark once you save the size you've entered. This time we have a blank canvas. I'm going to start by tapping Add and add a picture from the Canva library. I'm going to search for beach and enter that photo in. Going to click the plus sign, and all of the options I have are text, image, video, sticker, illustration, logos, and I can add a second page if I need to, or choose a template from here if I want. For text, I can type and edit my own font style, or I can enter a pre-made font style. I'll scroll down and choose a style I like and edit it. You can tap and drag to place the font where you'd like. You can add video or stickers, which are animated images. Next, you can add illustrations in this section. There are shapes, illustrations, frames, lines, and icons. I like to add shapes to go behind my text. And in order to do that, I enter it in and use the 3 dots to the top right corner for more on the menu. I can send the object behind the text so the text shows in front. Make it transparent so that it's just enough to stand out. Back to the illustration area, I can choose a frame and place a picture in it. For example, I can click this photo and I can choose this frame and insert a picture. Click the pencil icon to edit. Choose an image. And if I change my mind and decide I don't want that, I can get rid of it by clicking the trash can to delete it. I can add different styles, lines, or spin it around. And if I need to resize it, I can drag around on the little circles and pull out or in. And if you decide you need help with your design, you can definitely always browse the templates. There's so much you can do with Canva. Well, thanks for watching how to use the Canva app. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.